Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dhiya, and I will be your speaker for this workshop. Before we begin, I would like to ask you a question. Have any of you faced stress before? If you have, please raise up your hand. I see. Everyone does. Well, I don't blame you. And facing stress myself, I know that it is something we do not enjoy. But fortunately, this workshop focuses on how to cope with stress and how to prevent stress. And I can assure you that this will be helpful. But before we begin, I am going to tell you how stress can affect us. Occasional stress is a normal coping mechanism. However, long-term stress, also known as chronic stress, may contribute to or lead to a range of health problems, which can affect you very much. But we can avoid all this excruciating pain by following the 4 simple tips that I am going to reveal to you now. Tip 1 is to take a break. But how can we take a break? Can anyone raise up your hand to answer? Yes.
Just sleep.
Correct. We can sleep. We can sleep, maybe move to another room or have a change of scenery. But we can also include doing our hobbies too. We can play the piano or break a sweat. It all depends on your hobbies. Tip 2 is to rebalance work and home. You can make a timetable or a to-do list, and this is highly recommended. Planning and processing our work causes us to finish them before deadlines. This will cause less chronic stress, and you can spend sufficient time with your family. Thus, having work-life balance is highly important. Tip 3 is to build in a regular exercise. Exercising increases blood flow to your brain. Furthermore, it releases hormone serotonin, which lifts the mood, hence enhancing mental health and a clearer day. Tip 4 is to connect with supportive people. This is the most important tip because positive human connections can improve the mood, make you feel safer, and reduce stress. You can talk to a family member, a friend, or even a counselor. Just open up to them and tell them what concerns you. And trust me, you will feel better if you talk to the right person. Thank you for listening. And before we end off, I would like to ask you, can anyone tell me 2 of the tips that I have mentioned? Yes.
Tip 1 was take a break and tip 4 was connect with supportive people.
Correct. Tip 1. Tip 1 is to take a break. Tip 2 is to rebalance work and home. Tip 3 is to build in a regular exercise. And tip 4 is to connect with supportive people. Thank you for listening, and do give me a feedback at starlightworkshop@gmail.com and tell me which tip was the most helpful.